So welcome everybody to the 11th Virtual Roundtable web conference.
Welcome.
Yes, Nasvi, you can unmute yourself. How's that?
Excuse me?
Yes, what did you want to say, Nasvi?
I said welcome.
Oh, thank you. That's very kind. So I'm going to mute you. Is that okay?
Yeah, thank you.
Please stay muted, everyone, so that we can get on. I thought, look, I clicked on mute all and it doesn't seem to affect some. Nasri, you got through. Here we go. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you for being around for this session. I'd like to start with a little presentation. This is not a major presentation about the conference, but it's a little bit about housekeeping rules, because we will be doing, we will have some let's say, time together in a Zoom meeting room that allows many people to do many things. And so we will have to be a little bit under control of things. Allow me to share my slides. Okay, first of all, I would like to thank our sponsors and exhibitors, amongst which is Delta Publishing, and Martin Thomas will be speaking for Delta Publishing. And if you're going to attend the next couple of hours, the the presentations of the sponsors and exhibitors, I specifically asked for not fanciful presentations, but just product presentations, because I'm missing that very much at conferences around the world, that we don't seem to hear much of the actual products during the talks. But okay, I like to listen what great books are about and what new apps are about and what you know, just what is on offer. I love that one. So anyway, I've given it a try to invite sponsors and exhibitors here to the virtual roundtable to actually give us product presentations. If you agree, if you're bored, you can leave. You know, it's up to you. And we're going to hear from Martin. Delta Publishing will be hearing from Mike Hogan, Cornelsen. Then also there will be Ways Goose Publishing, Greta Gorsuch, or whatever she's, and so forth. We will be hearing from them. So we need volunteer helpers. Yes, of course. And I think I'm so grateful to everyone. Thank you very much. By the way, if you wanted to say a welcome in text chat, please add your country if you like. And here are the few things, the essentials I need to go through with you, because we're in a Zoom room that is 300 capacity. If we're getting to good numbers, then this is what we will need. If you could read that just briefly, you don't need to read it for you. Many thanks to Vance, who's helping people to come into this room. Fantastic. So this is what I would like to ask you. If you could rename yourself and add your country. You're also mentioning that in the text chat now. Many thanks to Tel Aviv, Poland, Hungary, Cairo, Egypt, and Linnaeus Kalmar in the southeastern of Sweden. Thank you so much. So here's also a reminder how to turn off camera and microphones and to open the chat. If you look at this window, have a look at the bottom. There's participants and then there's chat. You must hover your mouse over the black canvas in order to see this. And then you can open the chat. Many of you do, but some are new to Zoom, so I'm just explaining it, yeah? Then you can text chat to either everyone, or you can text chat to one person. And I failed to say a thank you to the very person who created these slides, is Helen Myers. Thank you very much for passing these slides over to me. Some of their session, and I attended some of her session, and it was, well, not one, just several. She has a Tilt series going on at the moment since Corona times, and her sessions are just absolutely marvelous. That's fantastic, fantastic. I've learned so much about MS Teams and MS and OneNote, and you must join her webinars. It's fantastic. So then, how to give reactions. Can you try this out, everyone? Click on reactions and put your reactions in, and it should appear in your, even in the still image. The video only? No, yes, thank you very much, lovely. Then you can also click on the reactions in the participant grid, or in the participant list as such, so that you can raise your hand. Some of you see the hand, some of you see the yes. The raised hand for some reason, sometimes it's not available for me. I always thought it was a Mac feature, but then the reactions are not clickable. What about everyone else's? Is that so? No, I didn't disable them purposely for some. Okay, for you, it's working for you. Everyone else, could you just maybe raise your hand or click on the green checkbox like this? Does nobody see them? In the participant grid, you can click clap hands and thumbs up. That's at the bottom, yeah, but not in the participant grid. For some reason, it's not showing. Weird. I'll try and fix that later on. So know how to change when you're watching somebody's screen share. You can go back to what is side-by-side view, and this is the side-by-side view I just showed you. I'll go back to the side by. Oh, did I skip that one very quickly? The gallery view and the single speaker view. So the side-by-side views here. And yeah, that's the last one. And saying, do not run like for about, well, sorry, it's due to run for about an hour each session. That's an old remark, but no need to apologize if you need to leave early. We understand. So if you have to go, just disappear. It's perfectly all right. Don't, I mean, people say, oh, I must go now. Oh, my cat is waiting. You know, we don't need that one. Thank you. Ah, we have a great moderator for Martin. Oh, that's fantastic. Sorry, I thought it was Bodjitsa herself. Okay.
Hi, Heike. I'm Alex.
Hi, Alex. Lovely to see you.
How are you doing?
Fantastic. Can I promote you to co-host then?
Say again?
Lovely. I promote you to co-host.
Ah, okay, super.
Yeah, cool.
A promotion already.
Fantastic. We should be starting now, but could I just add maybe 1 minute for a slide of Mentimeter? Oh no, we'll do that later on. That's okay.
No, go on. It's okay.
Yeah?
Yeah,
You
go
know,
ahead.
the Mentimeter is just so people might know Mentimeter, and we want to get again where everybody's from. What you have to do is you have to take your mobile phone and go to menti.com and add 477 and 000, the number in it. Or if you don't have a mobile handy, then what you do is you do this on a website just next to this here happening. Menti.com, that's at the top of the screen. Lovely. Some of you found it. Fantastic. And since I don't have much time, in fact, Verona, now Italy. Oh, lovely. That's very nice of you to put this in. Obviously, we won't get a real cloud together, but we will just see roughly where everybody is. That's just lovely. Thank you so much. Julia, yes. Is everybody else hearing fine?
Julia, can you hear me? Can you hear Alex? Здравствуйте.
You're both loud and clear for me anyway.
Lovely. Thank you so much. And I'll move on to the next slide. It's just 3 Mentimeter slides because that's the most important one. We all want
Can I have the
out.
numbers again, please? The numbers for Menti?
Menti is at the top here. It says, oops, I should delete that one. It's 477 and no, 477 and 000. 477000. So now you are teachers, you're all teaching online. How do you feel about it? Sorry, Alex, one moment. We'll just take. Do I have a choice? That's lovely. Overwhelmed, excited, challenged. Wow, that is good. Great. So if you could use adjectives, then we get a bit of a, you know, how we feel, and sort of an impression. You can add up to 3 adjectives if you like. Menti.com and then use the code 477000. And Shobo says new to it. That's fine. Yeah. And how do you feel about it? Are you worried, excited, challenged? Fantastic. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You can stop putting in now because we'll be moving on. And excited and challenged. And the next one. How do your students feel about being taught online? Now that's the interesting one.
Good question.
That's the interesting one. Thank you very much for answering this poll.
What's the most difficult thing about teaching online? Can people hear this?
Alud is answering in text at boring, challenging,
okay.
confused, overwhelmed. Well, isn't that amazing that you yourself you feel excited and challenged, but your students feel overwhelmed and confused. Now, I'm going to stop this here. Thank you so much for giving me this extra 5 minutes. I'm passing over to Alex and Martin. We'll stop the recording here.
Okay.